Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best BlazePods is probably one of the most versatile and engaging fitness tools on the market, transforming your workout routine into an interactive and challenging game that improves your agility, speed, reaction time, and coordination. No matter your fitness level or the space you have available, this video will help you decide if it's the right investment for you. Number 5. BlazePod Reaction Training Platform. It's the ultimate reaction training platform for athletes of all levels. It helps improve reaction time, agility, and decision-making skills. This kit is perfect for home or on-the-go training. With multiple pods, you get increased versatility and can create a wide variety of drills. You'll receive 4 pods, a charging base, a carrying case, and a 6-month Pro app membership. Everything you need to get started. It's ideal for team athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and those undergoing physical or neurological rehabilitation. It benefits a wide range of users. BlazePod Go provides everything you need to enhance your training, therapy, or educational sessions. Enjoy expert-created activities, live feedback, and more, all included. It's a smart and engaging platform that helps users of all levels reach their full potential. From elite athletes to those in recovery, it helps achieve dreams and goals. The app controls the light-up pods, offering endless possibilities for coaching, training, and treatment. It provides activities, tests, analytics, and more. It's based on the principle of improving reactions to be as instinctive as possible. This methodology is crucial for sports, fitness, and recovery. What we like. It has everything you need to start your training journey. The 6-month Pro app membership unlocks a world of advanced training options. If you are an athlete or fitness enthusiast looking for a comprehensive and versatile training system, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The design, app, rechargeability, carrying case are all well built and easy to use. It's very easy to program various activities using the phone app. I can make the routines as slow as necessary to align with the capabilities of the user, and easily adjust them as the user's ability increases. On just the 3rd time using these, I noticed a distinct improvement in the user's response time in being able to search for a specific colored light and press it. It's so easy to use that I can program entirely different activities at much faster speeds, to use myself. I also like that they come with a nice quality case that has a handle. That is convenient for travel and storage. Number 4. BlazePod Trainer Kit. Introducing BlazePod, the innovative platform designed to improve reaction time and agility. It's perfect for athletes, trainers, and therapists alike. This trainer kit provides everything you need to get started. It includes 6 pods, a charging base, a carrying case, and access to the BlazePod Go app. The kit is perfect for team trainers, fitness professionals, and therapists. It offers versatility for one-on-one or group training. The BlazePod Go app is your control center. It offers pre-designed activities, live feedback, and detailed analytics to maximize your training sessions. BlazePod is more than just a training tool, it's a platform that helps people of all levels reach their full potential. It improves reaction time, agility, and decision-making. The app controls the small, light-up pods. Together, they offer endless possibilities for creative and effective training, therapy, or educational sessions. BlazePod's Flash Reflex training methodology focuses on improving reactions, making them as instinctive as possible. This is crucial for any sport, fitness routine, or recovery program. What we like. This kit is perfect for trainers who work with multiple clients. It offers more pods for larger group sessions and diverse training options. If you're a trainer or coach looking to elevate your sessions, this is your best option. What people say. The design, app, rechargeability, carrying case are all well built and easy to use. It's very easy to program various activities using the phone app. I can make the routines as slow as necessary to align with the capabilities of the user, and easily adjust them as the user's ability increases. On just the 3rd time using these, I noticed a distinct improvement in the user's response time in being able to search for a specific colored light and press it. This is a very impressive and adaptable tool. It's so easy to use that I can program entirely different activities at much faster speeds, to use myself. I also like that they come with a nice quality case that has a handle. That is convenient for travel and storage. Number 3. BlazePod Reaction Platform. BlazePod is a revolutionary reaction training platform designed to help you improve your reaction time and agility. It's perfect for athletes of all levels, from beginners to professionals. With the functional adapter kit, you can attach it to almost anything: windows, mirrors, even trees. This opens up a world of creative and versatile training options. It is perfect for outdoor training sessions, allowing you to take your workouts beyond the gym. Its versatility makes it ideal for trainers and coaches looking to add variety to their programs. The uniquely designed pod adapters offer countless possibilities. Attach it to anything you can imagine, the only limit is your creativity. Train across multiple verticals with ease. It's invaluable for training athletes in sports like basketball and soccer, or for rehabilitation purposes. What we like. It allows you to attach the pods to various surfaces and objects. This opens up a world of creative training possibilities. If you are looking for a versatile training system that can be used in various environments, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Product was as described, still learning how to use the app and set up drills, but seems great for initial runs, can add more after it's been used up but more. At 56, I am looking for fun and safe ways to improve my reaction time, and this is simply awesome and fun. The product itself is good. It connects well enough. It is responsive. Creating and customizing activity is easy and great. Number 2. BlazePod LED Reflex Pods. It's a game changer for athletes and fitness enthusiasts of all levels. This innovative system uses LED lights to enhance reaction speed and agility through engaging exercises. It's perfect for trainers on the go or in a gym setting. The kit includes everything you need to start improving your performance immediately. Inside, you'll find 6 pods, a charging base, a convenient carrying case, and access to over 200 activities via our app. Get ready to transform your training. It provides everything you need to elevate your training sessions. Enjoy expert-designed activities, real-time feedback, and more, all included at no extra cost. It's more than just a training tool, it's a smart platform designed to improve reaction time, agility, and decision-making. It helps people of all ages and abilities reach their full potential. It's the brains of the operation, controlling the pods and offering endless possibilities for training. With its flexibility and creative activities, it makes training fun and effective. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for boxing and martial arts training. It comes with a large number of preloaded activities to get you started immediately. If you are a coach or individual looking to improve your reaction time and agility in combat sports, this is the perfect option. What people say. These puck-like sensors are extremely well thought out and put together. They work so well and can be set up in many different formats. They are super durable and withstand ninjas smacking them with strength. Once I did the tutorials and played a couple rounds myself with them, I found them very useful for all of my strength and conditioning training, sport-specific training and concussion rehabilitation. Number 1. BlazePod Athlete Bundle. It's the ultimate training tool for athletes of all levels. This bundle helps improve reaction time, agility, and decision-making skills. You get 4 pods, a charging base, a carrying case, functional adapters, suction cups, and straps. Everything you need to get started. It's perfect for professional athletes, aspiring athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and at-home training. Use it for one-on-one sessions or individual workouts. It comes with activities and tests created by BlazePod experts. Get live feedback and track your progress easily. It's a smart and engaging platform that pushes your boundaries. Reach new heights and achieve your full potential. Whether you're a pro athlete or just starting out, it helps you improve reaction time, agility, and decision-making. See how far you can go. What we like. It's perfect for athletes who want to train individually or with a trainer. The included adapters allow for versatile at-home workouts. If you are an athlete or fitness enthusiast looking for a comprehensive and versatile training system, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Built tough, they can handle strong ninja warriors pounding them. They work amazingly and have so many fun settings for individuals, partners, or teams. They are a cool product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.